Hey guys, here comes my worst nightmare. You know, Hiccup. Yeah, the douchebag that took my girlfriend the first one, and he also kissed her in the second one. So most of you guys like How to Train Your Dragon. I don't. Fuck How to Train Your Dragon. Fuck How to Train Your Dragon 2. Fuck How to Train Your Dragon 3. If you guys are a fan of this, to me, I'm not a fan of this piece of shit. Fuck this movie. Because I'll tell you, this douchebag ruined my life. And fuck his dragon too. And I'll show you how he ruined my life by hitting on my girl, flirting on my girl, and it pisses me off. Yeah, I'll show you. Just give me 1 second. And it's not gonna make me happy. It's gonna piss me off. So let me go to the end, you guys, and it's not gonna make me happy. So let me show how I react and when I get pissed. And I'll throw the controller right in the TV. Just watch. It'll piss me off good. Watch. I really get mad easily. Okay, right here is gonna piss me off. Watch. Watch. You see that? That's fucked up. Let's go back. Shut up, old man. Watch closely what this jerk does. Watch what this asshole does. Kissing my girl. Watch. Watch and learn. Watch when I hit it slowly. Fucking jerk. This is why I don't like this jerk. You know why? This motherfucking prick ruined my life. He took her in the first one, second, third. Thinking, God, wow, God, he ruined my life. I hope you put this douchebag in hell. I hope Satan burns his ass and cuts his head, burn him in lava in hell. This is pointing me. This is really making me mad. Fuck you, jerk. And I'm gonna take this off because right now I'm not in the mood. Fuck him.